Well, gentlemen, today the topic is NGOs. NGOs stand for non-governmental organization. Of course, we have two kinds of organizations in every country around the globe. One are the governmental organizations. Such organizations are fed and run by the respective government of the country. And NGOs, the other kind is NGO. NGO is not run or financially fed by the government of the country. Instead, it is run and funded by the other countries or the rich people around the globe. And such organizations are working around the globe in the poor countries to facilitate and to provide the medical, educational, and food-related facilities to the poor people of the different poor countries. The governmental organizations are enrolled by the countrymen of that particular country, but not up to the required level, so they don't prove, generally they don't prove up to the requirement. But in non-governmental organizations, the staff is very competent and there is no chance of any bribery or corruption. So the people are committed and working well, so the performance and the end result goes very well. As a result, around the globe, all the poor countries have a large number of NGOs working and to feed and to educate and to give medical facilities to the poor people of their countries. Whereas in the governmental organizations, the staff, the employees are not competent enough, and the doubt and the chance of corruption and misconduct is already there. So their performance is not very well. So the NGOs which are working around the globe are working very well. But one thing which is important in security point of view, that some NGOs are working very well, but at the same time, they are collecting some security and defense information of that particular country in case of some problems, some disputes, they utilize such informations to win the wars or to get the job done, which cannot be done with direct contacts with the governments. NGOs, the concept of NGOs, no doubt, a very good concept, and people around the world, the poor people around the world, are enjoying facilities through NGOs. That's it.
Assalamu alaikum, gentlemen. My name is Saad Raza. I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Today my topic is about the role of NGOs. NGOs are non-governmental organizations that works for the betterment of humanity. NGOs are actually the group of people that have common interest which is related to the betterment of society or people. They are non-profitable organizations. They work for those who need them. For example, the poor, which do not have which have large amounts of needs and wants, but their voice do not reach to the government. The government do not supply them. In this case, the rich people, whom Allah give them a lot, they funded the NGOs, so the NGOs will give the people who really need the money. Recently, in coronavirus case, many people do not have money to feed. In this case, lot of NGOs worked to help such peoples, and many peoples works Many people in NGOs works for the environment, and mostly NGOs that planted the land where they get the land, and this is indirectly related to humans because without plants the future of the humans is not existenceable. So they plan for the better future of the nation. In Pakistan, the peoples are kind, very kind. They give a lot of money to NGOs. Some NGOs worked to treat for making a hospitals that treat them free of cost of poor. Rich peoples can funded those hospitals, and those the hospital will be will pay the will